Hello and welcome to Swahili lesson number 14. Convert the following Swahili words to English. Mark anacheza. Mark is playing. Watoto wanaimba. The children are singing. Tutaruka lini? When will we jump? Or when will we skip? Mtoto alitoroka. The baby ran away. Or the baby escaped. Or the child escaped. Ulitaka nini? What did you want? Or what did you need? Utataka nini? What will you need? Or what will you want? Anataka nini? What does he want? Or what does he need? What does she want? What does she need? Anamtaka nani? Who does he want? Who does she want? Thank you very much for your time. Please like the video and subscribe.